Let me tell you, these country-style ribs came out amazing. Very easy to make with fill ingredients. We start off by cutting the beef like that. Perfect. Let's get some olive oil and spread like that. Now we will use salt in just one side of the beef. On high heat, add olive oil to a big pan. I will be cooking the meat in batch because I want it nice and brown. So here is the first batch. And the meat gets nice and brown like that. Let's reduce the heat from medium. Give it a mix and let's remove the first batch. If you are enjoying this simple cooking, please subscribe to our channel and also give us some likes and send it to your friends. Now let's start with the second batch. I will add some more oil to it. It looks great. Let's remove it. Add 1 large onion into the pan. Let's add garlic to your taste. Beautiful. Now we need a whole carton of beef broth. Now write here in the comments if you will make this easy recipe. Are you? Guys? Let's add back our meat. Just like that. For the kick we will be using our Try My Chow's Brazilian style Creole seasoning. Also I like this one too. Add black pepper to it. A little mix. Now, adjusting your seasoning to your taste. Add 2 tomatoes. Add half lime. I really appreciate all your likes and gifts. It helps a lot. Much love for all of you guys. You are great. I love bay leaves. You can add cilantro if you want. Can you guys smell this? Oh man, this is incredible. Cover it for 1 hour and the fire is still on medium heat. After 1 hour, add potatoes. Again guys, thank you so much for all your likes, gifts, and support. We love you so much. Mix and cover it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you are done. Give it a mix and serve. Look at that. Every single thing in this recipe came out amazing. The seasoning was perfect. The ribs were unbelievably tender. The potatoes so good. You need to try it. I like my meat with white rice. How do you like your meat? Now I have to add a little more lime. Perfect like that.